Hello YouTube, how's everybody doing? Alright, in this quick video I'd like to show you how you can replace your spark plugs on a 2014 Mitsubishi Mirage. I think it's anywhere from 2014 to 2020. I think it's the same steps. So it's very simple. So the whole goal is to remove this part from the engine. So as you can see, it's connected to this hose here, so you just have to loosen this and pull this out. Also it's connected to here like that, so you need a plier to remove this, and then it will just come out. That's second one. And then third one, there is one bolt here. I don't know if you can see, there's one bolt here. I think it's 10 millimeter, third. And then another one is here. I don't know if you can see it, it's right here, fourth one. And then another one, the fifth one is here. So there's 5. So once you get all that, it's kind of held by one, and you just have to pull it, together. You have to pull it up. So you kind of have to pull it up hard because it's held, as you can see, it's held here. Hold on. It's held by this in here. So this part gets in here. So you just have to pull it out hard. It's kind of hard. Once you remove that, that's put it aside. Oh, and I forgot. And then this socket goes I think in here. So remove that socket and it's easily removed. So if you're going to be changing your ignition coils, you have to disconnect here. 1, 2, 3. This is a 3-cylinder, and then 10 millimeter 3 just remove. So if you're going to be changing your ignition coils. But if you're not changing your ignition coil, just spark plug, only spark plug, you just remove this 3. And then the spark plug is, I think you need a socket, like a 5/8 socket. And then the correct part of the spark plug you need, I'll put under the description, because it's kind of hard. Like, it's kind of many, you go AutoZone and they give you something and it's not, doesn't fit. It's kind of everybody gets confused, I guess. So you have to but don't worry, I got that taken care of for you. And then just make sure you gap it 0.044. That's the gap. If it's not pre-gapped, and then put it in with a of course, once you loosen it, you need a magnet to pull it out, and then put it with the magnet, put it slowly, and then torque it to the, I think I'll put in the description what the torque spec is, and then you're all good to go. All right guys, hope this helps. Take care.